Now, let's move on to positioning the calibration frame. Install the two wheel clamps on the rear wheels, ensuring the spirit level is centered. Then place the ranging panel against either front wheel, centered on the wheel and perpendicular to the car body. Follow the prompts on the tablet. Open the center ladder to make sure the car is in center. Turn on one of a ranging finder to measure the distance between the crossbeam and ranging panel. Follow the instructions on the tablet to move the main frame to a specific place. Check the spirit level and ensure the main frame is on the horizontal plane. Turn on the rangefinders on both sides of the crossbeam. Adjust the numerical values to the same. Once everything is in place, lock the caster wheels. Mount the related target board on the main frame and fasten it. Next, adjust the height according to the vehicle specs, using the height finder tool for accurate measurement. And make sure the laser area is clean, no stains, no dust. Tap calibration on the tablet and follow each step. Evaluate the DTC memory and choose number 1. Click Yes, then click Complete. Let's continue to the next step. Use a tape measure to get the height from ground to wheel lintel. You will be asked to input the height values for all 4 wheel housing edges. Check the summary screen and tap Yes to confirm. Follow the instructions and move forward. Alright, the calibration process automatically runs. Now the calibration process is complete. Turn off the ignition. About 10 seconds later, turn it back on. Finally, tap Complete to generate and save the ADAS report. After the calibration, we clear any remaining ADAS-related fault codes and run a post-scan. This confirms all ADAS fault codes are cleared. And that's all. You've just seen the complete front camera ADAS calibration process on an Audi using the X431 ADAS Pro Plus and the Pad 9 link. Got questions? Leave a comment below. We'd love to help. Thanks for watching. See you next time.